So in this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of radians. We all know how to measure angles with degrees, with a right angle having 90 degrees, a 45-degree angle having 45 degrees, and a circle having 360 degrees. There's another way of measuring angles called radians. If we imagine there being a circle around every angle, the radians would measure the arc that the angle takes up. So this part right here. So by now you've noticed the similarity between the word radius and radian. That's because 1 radian is equal to 1 radius. So that means if there's an angle 2 radians long, this arc right here would be 2 times the length of the radius. So that's how radians and radiuses are related. So now let's see how degrees and radians are related. So to find the perimeter of a circle, we use the equation 2 pi r. But since we know that a radian is equal to 1 radius, we could just say that the entire circle is 2 pi radians. In degrees, a circle would be 360 degrees. So we know that 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. Now we can find how radians and degrees are related. So what we do here, divide this by 2 pi, and a radian is equal to 360 degrees over 2 pi, or if you simplify that further, 180 over pi. So that's what a radian is equal to in terms of degrees. We can use this, our newfound knowledge, to convert between radians and degrees. So let's just substitute the 180 over pi back into the equation 2 pi r to see if we get 360 degrees. So 2 pi times 180 over pi, because that's what a radian equals 360 degrees. Cross those pi's out. 2 times 180 equals 360. So that's how you convert from radians to degrees. Now let's find out how you convert from degrees to radians. So we can use the same equation, 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. But this time we just divide the equation by 360. We find out that 2 pi over 360 equals a degree. Well, in terms of radians, and then simplify that further, and pi over 180 equals a degree. Pi over 180 radians equals a degree. So if you want to convert from degrees to radians, let's say we want to find out what 90 degrees is in terms of radians. We simply do 90 degrees times pi over 180. And that turns to pi over 2. So that's how you convert from degrees to radians.